How do you know when it's springtime in Moab?
Lights turn green.
Yeah, the license plates turn green. It's a joke that Colorado license plates are green. This is what do they call this? That awful area at
this
the top.
This is the slowest speed mesa.
Yeah. Followed by high speed mesa.
Yeah, this is why I hate this trail. This section.
Yeah. But there is a beautiful scrambler right in front of us.
Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful race.
Oh, our broken machine is up ahead here, not too far down the road. Dude, I wonder if it's just like that other one we went and got, where the fuel pump wiring got caught on the track bar. What do you think, Shawn? How's your drive?
I made it.
Nice.
It's a long drive. Psych. It's a fun drive. I love this trail,
Heck
especially
yeah.
this spot.
All right, look at Sally. Sally's a purty unit. All right, so let's investigate some fuel. I hear something.
Start.
Go ahead. I can hear a pump. Let's see what else we got going on.
There you go.
Original wiring.
No, that's my fan. That's for the fan. There's on-off fan.
Yeah, you guys picked a nice spot to hang out. I mean, look at the view up here. We got.
And the cell phones work.
Yeah, and the cell phones work. That is also convenient. Mountains and this behind the rocks area over here. All kind of nice things to look at.
Yeah. Yeah, we got fuel.
There's a pinched wire right there.
Okay.
What? Show us.
Right there. Yeah, and I think that's the crank sensor.
Okay.
That'll make it not run.
So, 10 millimeter.
All right, on it.
This truss has come up and intersected with the wiring for the crank sensor. Right there.
That was broken wire.
Two wires, chippy choppy. Okay, so green goes to yellow now, right?
Yeah. In Wisconsin, those would be called Packer colors.
Yeah.
The electrician. Not me.
All right,
Somebody go twist that key.
let's do some of that cranky crank.
Yeah!
Look at that.
Yeah.
Hallelujah. Right?
The LS Whisperer.
No, don't put that on me.
I came out last year. It's a lot.
Also last year.
They have this kind of down the road.
What?
Hey, what? Camera's on?
Yeah,
Yeah, Justin.
What are you talking about? What row is this you speak of? See right there?
Yep.
And right there and right here, and then that's what hit that and broke that.
And your track bar is also hitting the ram.
Oh yeah.
So, you want the grinder?
I
Looks
padded
like
this
guy
padded
right
this
here
up.
too.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of intersections happening under here. I think
Well,
it's on the other side as well.
There's a lot of
The
contact.
pitman arm hit this.
Yeah. It's up to you. You want a grinder? We can grind it down now, or
Yeah, let's just do it.
Okay.
Watch your eyes.
Okie dokie, Shawn.
That's a pretty easy fix. Shawn for the win on spotting that.
Yeah.
Definitely all those things of a new build. I mean, it's been together for 2 years, but out here you definitely see a lot more bumps and coming down on the bumps. You know, the gravity's forcing you down. You'll bottom your suspension out a lot harder than you would on normal stuff. Spliced it back together, taped it out of the way so it won't happen again. Filed the truss down, so it's all good. It's all good.
Yeah.
Totally good.
I got a flat tire last time I drove this.
Yeah.
Well, that worked out. All tires intact. Three of them. Here's a fun one.
Right where you were at. Like right through there, straight up here and up.
Right through here.
Yeah. It looks intimidating with the ledges, but with the amount of traction out here, just slow and easy, and it crawls stupid good.
don't do that. Just hit the gas as hard as you can, all the way down.
Yeah,
Then when
yeah.
you brake, give
Don't
us a
listen
call.
to Shawn. Don't listen-
Yeah.
Then when you brake,
Shawn's
call us.
not here to help you.
Yeah.
Little driver. Little roll right there. There you go. There you go. Good. Woo!
Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. There was an arch. Little baby arch. Little baby. We got a little sideways on that one.
Right in there. The plan was solid. The execution was awful.
Okay, what was the plan?
Well, I was gonna ramp up on this side and turn into it, so then I would already be on the wall and I would miss that hole right here.
Yeah.
I did not miss that hole.
No, we found it.
Yeah, found right into it. Bam!
You guys down here are making their own YouTube video about a broken tie rod on the side. You want to be right along the edge of this rock. Beautiful. Man, I love this Jeep. You guys carefully film? So we come down the trail.
We're Eric's buddies from Wisconsin.
Oh, right on.
Hi, Eric. I'm Caveman.
Caveman. Yeah, the BSF crew.
Yep, they're all buddies of mine.
Awesome. All
Parts of
right.
my truck.
So,
All we got is outers, Mike.
yeah, it's just broken at the end of the inner.
Right where the nut is.
We could maybe fry it together with the welder. You do the best you can with what you got, and then sometimes you just get out of the way. Yeah, thanks for breaking down. So we got our throttle control here.
Check it out.
Have him idle it up a little more heat.
Good. There we go.
It's all good.
Excellent. There we go. Steering is back in action. And they are on their way. So are we.
We made it. Honk, honk, honk. We are alive.
Dude, I get yelled at in the comment section all the time. Goodbye to your park cog and your transmission loading the rig like that. Like, never had an issue. I blown one out. What were you doing? Jumping it onto the trailer?
It ain't no turbo 400.
Oh.
Dang. Shots fired. This guy's
Yeah, I did.
his name is Mike.
Disabled blank.
Yeah, but you haven't heard this from me before.
Blinks.
Pay attention.
No, I don't.
Do you know what fish do in water?
Everything.
So what's the plan here? What are we doing?
I'm a welder, Mike.
Well, no, that's a grinder. Got a little weta.
I just counted on that.